Bye-bye. 5 trucks, please, and we need to get lots and lots of coal. We've got so many people here today, haven't we? We've got a really lot of people here today. Are you here from England? Anybody not from England? Anybody from overseas? No, there's no money about, is there? They all got stuck in Didcot. Platform ticket. I reckon they haven't paid this one.
He's going to take trucks, that's right.
Has he got stuck? Five trucks, not 3, 5. Keep down there. What happened, John? What happened?
Come on, Diesel! You can do better!
5 trucks, not 3, 5. Good, all right. We have no time. Yep, 5 trucks.
Yes, you're right. It's not quite the right colour.
It's the trucks, it's the troublesome. Oh dear, oh dear. Never mind.
Back and this one is dark.
Get it right this time. It'll be a big cheer. We'll give 3 cheers, won't we, boys and girls? You've still got plenty of loud voices, haven't you? Listen. Some tracks, yeah. We'll be trouble. We'll be down the scrapyard with you. Right, we've got to count this time. Then we can send the trucks down there to get the coal and get Thomas on the boil. Have you had a ride on Thomas yet? Are you here for the weekend? It's a long queue. Right, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. He's off! Yay! Whoa! I think we can send him through to get the coal with some trucks here. Fantastic. Well done.
Diesel got.
You've got 2 now. Well done, Diesel.
Give him a clap.
Well done, Diesel.
What a long truck, eh?
I'm going to check for you, for these boys and girls have been so good, right? We're going to give them a certificate.
Try it a little bit louder. 1, 2, 3. Bit better. Mediocre. Again. Well, everybody. Mums, dads, grannies and grandparents, uncles and aunts. 1, 2, 3. You did it. Give yourselves a clap. Well done, boys and girls. Right, now we're going to bring Duck down and you can see the troublesome truck. Where's its face, boys and girls? Facing you, that's right. So we need that face facing the tender. That's where the coal is kept. On the front, you can see where the water is, in the boiler and the tanks. So that's what we'll do. We'll turn the engine round. Because he's facing the wrong way, you see. So this turntable's going to be very, very useful today. Do you think we could turn it round, boys and girls? Might have to blow to help poor old Windy Miller, the fat controller. Right, well, we'll give him the signal. The very clever man in the fluorescent jacket there. We are moving these huge locomotives today. Give him a wave. Give him a cheer. We'll go right into the middle. So we've got even weight. And get it balanced. Shall we get the fat controller to turn the handle, boys and girls? Shall we give him some work to do for a change instead of walking around telling everybody what to do. I think the railwaymen have arrived to turn the handle. Yes, Fat Controller, you! I say, take your jacket off, it's a hot day. Take your jacket off and your hat. Oh, look, we've got the Fat Controller's got to do some work. Right, we've got to really turn hard this time. Got an ambulance waiting. Right, well, we've let the brake off, so now it's a kind gentleman's going to assist with the other side. If you've got your cameras and particularly your recorders, you can actually see how two people can turn this massive great steam engine round. Look at that, it's moving. Fantastic! And that's how it was all done, day in, day out. Every engine that came in had to be turned round. There you are, Thomas, look, you can have a look. There's Thomas. Well, that was a lot of work, wasn't it? Big clap for you. All right. So we're facing the right set of rails now. So what Duck will do is give a toot, and we'll couple the truck to the tender and take it off down the main line. That's what we're going to do, boys and girls. You can tell it to toot. Whoa! That's lovely.
Come here.
That's lovely. We can couple now. Fat Controller. But still the wrong way round, aren't we? You get right. Now we've got. I think you'll have to turn the handle again. Now I think what we must do, of course, is turn the engine round. Are you supervising Fat Control? Oh right, okay. We'll try blowing, I think. Shall we, boys and girls? See if we go any quicker. I'm going to turn this round, couple it up and get it back on the timetable on the main line. And so there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is how in the days of steam, the great days of steam, the Great Western Railway had to turn all their locomotives round so they were facing the right way. And it looks as though we've succeeded in getting this great big engine turned round. And then we'll couple up to have the truck at the right end of the engine. Pulling it instead of pushing it.
Over there on his bike.
I think it's commendable that we're able to come and see this great turntable in action, because there are so few left in working order now in this country. Some of the preserved railways, there is one down at the West Somerset Railway, down at Minehead, able to turn their engines round, and the remains of a very early turntable of the broad gauge of the Great Western is on view here at the railway centre. You may not have noticed it, but having seen this on the way out, just before you go back to Didcot Parkway, just glance before you go off-site, you will see the remains of a turntable that was used for turning a massive Renault-designed broad gauge engines. So now you see the railway lines will meet the railway lines that the truck is on, and that way the railways were working round the clock, shunting, offloading goods, loading goods, steaming engines, and shunting them all into a position where they could go about their business on the railway. A very labour-intensive and very, very hard work that people had to do in those days when lots and lots of goods were being moved around the railway systems. And so we'll be putting the brake on any moment now. There it is, it's locked into position, so we've then got the engine and the truck the right way round. Get him to toot, boys and girls, so then we can back him up. Say toot! There he goes. Say couple up, duck. Mind your toes. This is a difficult operation. Coupling up, just having to do with the regulator to get just enough steam to couple without sending it off the end of the rails. You can see what a skilled operation it is. Coupling up and
It did, yeah, because you've got to put the brakes on.
hooking up the chains in order to, you've got to shut the steam off just right. That will slow down and the buffers will meet and you can couple it up.
I find it's a good point.
Well, we don't need to operate the turntable anymore now, boys and girls, because we're in a straight line now with the face facing the tender of that lovely engine. And he will give it a little toot and then move off to the other side of the turntable, demonstrating how engines and trucks were constantly being moved around into the right position. At 2 o'clock this afternoon in the picnic area is the magic show. Wait for a toot now. There we are. Say bye-bye, Doug. Thank you very much. Say bye-bye, Troublesome Truck. As I say, here in the picnic area, the magic show was Steve, resident magician here at the Great Western Railway Society at Didcot. We'll be here in the marquee with a magic show, followed by Troublesome Trucks at 2:30. And Punch and Judy come back to the picnic area at 3:30. Steve and the Rocky Raccoon, Mr. Crump, will be around entertaining you.
I'm a naughty Troublesome Truck, and I cause lots of trouble.